we are going to learn very important concept called divisibility. Divisibility means if a particular number is given, whether that number is divisible by various numbers like 2, 3, 4 and all that. Many times until we do the full calculation, we do not know whether it is divisible or not. But there are certain methods by which you can understand very clearly even before working it out that particular number is divisible by a specific number. Let us look at it one by one and understand how exactly all these things are worked upon. First, I want to see whether the number is divisible by 2. It is a very simple thing. Everybody knows about it. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. What I mean by even number? Even number is number ending with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Any number of digits, but the last digit should be ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. As long as this is there, all those numbers are divisible by 2. This is mostly known to all the people, so I am not going deep into that. How do you find whether a particular number is divisible by 3? To find that, what you have to do is, if a particular digit is given, you add all the digits together, find the total. That total should be divisible by 3. If that is divisible by 3, the whole number also divisible by 3. Here let us take an example. I am taking an example of 46386. I want to find whether this number is divisible by 3. So what I am doing, first I am adding all individual digits, 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6. The total comes to 27. 27 is divisible by 3. The answer is 9, which is known to you. When this is divisible by 3, the whole number also divisible by 3. Let us check whether it is happening. When we divide, it becomes 1, then 5, 13, then it is 4, 18, then it is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 15462 is the answer to this. So as long as the total is divisible by 3, this number also divisible by 3. By chance this is not divisible, this whole number also not divisible by 2. The reverse is also true. Now let us take how the number 4 divisibility is considered. When a number of digits are given, what you have to do, take only the last 2 digits. It can be a 5-digit number, 8-digit number, even 10-digit number, not a problem. Take only the last 2 digits. If those 2 digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. Here I have taken a number 731848 and I want to find whether this is divisible by 4. So what I am doing, I am taking only the last 2 digits, 48. 48 divided by 4, it is 12. So when this is divisible, the whole number is divisible. So when I work out this, the answer is 182962 is the answer. You also remember the last 2 digits can be 00 also. Last 2 digits can be 00 also. Even when it is 00, the whole number is divisible by 4. Now, coming to number 5. Again it is quite easy, many of you will be knowing about it. To find the divisibility of 5, the last digit of the number should end with either 5 or 0. As long as it is ending with either 5 or 0, that number is divisible by 5. This is known to many people. I am not going into the details of it. Coming to find how number 6 is divisible or not. To check this, what it needs is condition 1 and 2 should satisfy the number, whatever number we are taking. What is condition 1? The number has to be a even number. What is condition 2? The total of the digits should be divisible by 3. When these two are combinedly satisfied, then number 6 is divisible. Now let us take one problem. 5, 2, 6, 5, 6 I am taking. Because the digit is ending with 6, it is an even number. It is satisfied. Then I am taking the total of it. The total comes to 24. It is divisible by 3. So it is even number divisible by 3. When this is the situation, the whole number is divisible by 6. When I divide it, this is the answer I am getting. 8776 is the answer. This is how divisibility of number 6 is seen. Let us also see other numbers, how exactly it is working out. We have seen divisibility up to number 6. Number 7, it's a different process called the osculation process, by which we will be able to identify a particular number is divisible by 7, and so many other prime numbers also can be found out only through the osculation process. Prime numbers like 13, 19, 23 and all that. That we will keep it in a separate class and explain the process of osculation, how exactly it is worked out. Now leaving 7, the next digit is 8. How do we find the number is divisible by 8? The simple thing is, take the last 3 digits and see whether it is divisible by 8. When that is divisible by 8, the whole number is divisible by 8. Here we have taken a example of 4263128. In this, the last 3 digits alone I am taking 128. I am dividing by 8. The answer is 16. It is divisible. The moment this is divisible, this number also divisible by 8. So when I divide it, the answer is 531891. And here also you should remember the numbers ending with 000 also to be considered as divisible by 8. The last 3 digits, if it is ending with 000, that is also to be considered as divisible by 8. Then let us come to number 9. Number 9 is in a way similar to the process what we have for number 3. You have to take the total of all the digits in the sum given to you, and the total should be divisible by 9. In 3 it should be divisible by 3. In 9 it should be divisible by 9. Let us take an example of 325944. I am taking the total, it is 27, this is divisible by 9. So the moment this is divisible, this number also divisible by 9. When I divide it, this is the answer. 36216 is the answer. On the contrary, if this is not divisible, the whole number also not divisible. That goes without saying. Number 10 everybody knows. All the digits ending with 0 as the last digit, all those numbers are divisible by 10. So I am not going very deep into that. Number 5 and 10 and all very easy. How do we find whether a number is divisible by 11? This is a little bit of an interesting process. What you have to do, let us take this number 644974 is the number given to us. The process is, take the total of all the odd digits. All digits you have to take the total. Similarly, even digits also you have to take the total. The difference between them has to be either 0 or it has to be a multiple of 11. Multiple of 11 means 11, 22, 33, anything like that. Now for this problem, let us see how exactly it is working out. All the odd position digits I am underlining by red ink and marking it first digit, third digit and fifth digit. and the even digit numbers are marked with green. I marked it as second digit, fourth digit and sixth digit. So, the odd digit total when I am taking it, it is 6 plus 4 plus 7, it is 17. Now, let me take the total of even digits. It is 4 plus 9 plus 4, 4 plus 9 plus 4, that is also 17. Now, the difference between them is 0. When the difference is 0, obviously the number is divisible by 11. Let us check whether it is divisible by 11. When we do that, we get the answer as 58634. This is a very simple process by which you can find whether a number is divisible by 11. Thank you.